Welcome back to the campus. Following my recent silver video, a number of subscribers asked for a breakdown of the broader gold cycle, and I am happy to deliver. So let's dive in to address the big question: how high can gold actually go from here? We are starting here on the 2-week chart, and what we are seeing here is the full long-term picture of gold beginning in the 1960s and running all the way up to today, over 6 decades of price development. From this perspective, we can clearly see a major impulsive structure. It starts with the 1-2 setup in the 1960s, then launches into a strong third wave that peaks around 1980. What follows is the classic wave 4, long, exhausting, frustrating, and very typical for this part of the cycle. That correction finally found its bottom during the burst of the dot-com era, and from the year 2000 onward, gold has been climbing within an extended fifth wave that's still developing today. This gives out the overall market structure of gold, the crucial context we need to move into the lower time frames to explore how much further gold can still go. Here on the weekly chart, we can analyze the broader fifth wave that's been developing since the year 2000, and you can clearly see another impulsive pattern, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we are moving through the fifths of that larger fifth wave. But Elliott Waves don't stop at this level. As you may know, it's a fractal system, meaning each wave contains smaller wave structures nested within the larger ones. So let's have a look at the daily chart to finally answer the question how high it can still go. By the way, you like the content and you want to stay updated on future analysis of precious metals, stocks, Bitcoin and crypto. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So here on the daily chart, we can see that the fifth wave of the larger fifth wave began in 2016. Since then, gold has formed an impulsive looking structure, and we now appear to be in the later stages of this upward move. I know that no one wants to hear that, but at one point we will see a larger correction of this entire upward move. For now, the next typical target zone for this smaller structure ranges from $4,570 to $5,000. A major target for the blue Roman numeral 5 sits around 5,125, which could complete the entire move upward. But of course, gold is in rally mode, and bullish assets can extend much further than most people expect. So I'm not saying the move has to end there. It's simply that, based on experience, areas where multiple Fibonacci extensions cluster together tend to become increasingly difficult for price to break through. Is it possible for gold to advance toward the next higher level north $6,000? Yes, the market allows for all scenarios, of course, but for that to unfold, we must first observe how price responds to the immediate resistance levels ahead. I'll keep an eye on this for you, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future analysis on this channel. So what do you think? How will the future of gold look like? Let me know in the comments, and please hit the like button to help spread this valuable content. Have a great day. Until next time. Ciao, ciao.